Right here we have another one of the 43rd scale first response replicas vehicles. Left this one in the case because I put it back on the base before I remembered to do the video and picture of it, Brian. So I apologize for that. But anyway, you know how they they can be put back in the case. So when you resell them or whatever, they can have the case and everything on them. Cut a little slot in the back here so it don't cut the cord. Anyway, again, this one's built either like the Taurus that you'll see or that you've already seen, depending on which way the videos get uploaded or you view them. Flashing headlights and taillights on this one. Again, the red rooftop strobe, which again, I don't know why they don't put that one on the Taurus. It was a lot lower profile, not stick up, kind of goofy looking. Then red and blue, you have red and blue strobes in the rear window. I mentioned something about this front window having something, I don't know what that is. I don't know if you can see it. It's like maybe spilled something on it. It's not rough, it's smooth on the inside, so I don't know what it would have been that it made that window look weird, but you said something about it, you could replace it, so I'll send it back to you and let you take care of it. Sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Again, this is, of course, you know this is built for a train layout for one of your buddies. Again, flashing headlights. See the red strobe on the roof. Got flashing taillights, and then a red and blue strobe in the rear window. Again, magically looks as if the blue strobe quits working every now and then. Now the red one. Anyway, I think we understand my camera's fault. Again, pretty neat model. Like I said, first response replicas. I've been making them for a while and aren't any longer, but anyway, they produced quite a few of them, and they looked nice. Of course, the newer they got, the cheaper, the less detailed the models became because of price, but that's the way things go. So thank you very much for the orders. Again, I'll get the others out, or get everything taken care of and shipped out to you on Monday. So thank you again for all the work that you send me.